G'day, I'm Gav.
And I'm Shez, and this is our Beneteau Oceanus 430 Ashore the Wombat. We're getting ready to sail around the world.
So hit subscribe and join us on our amazing adventure.
Welcome back to Sailing Ashore the Wombat. In our last episode, we sailed over to Moreton Island and anchored at Lucinda Bay. It was a wild ride over with 30-knot winds and the tow rail in the water. But join us now as we explore this amazing island, Moreton Island and Lucinda Bay. What an incredibly magical anchorage. We hope you enjoy the episode. So here we are at Lucinda Bay, Moreton Island. It's very pretty. The wind is gusting over 20 knots at the moment though, but we're anchored and we're just gonna keep an eye on things before we go ashore because it's a bit windy out there. It'll die off as the day goes on, and then tomorrow and the next day are beautiful. So but look at our view. How beautiful is that? So that's the view for the next couple of days. So pretty. Some boats up that end there. There's sort of a couple to our right, but not many. So there's a spot further south called Sand Hills. There's big and little sand hills, and it was crowded, like so crowded. So I think this will fill up as well. But yeah, for now we've got a nice spot. We can just go straight in to the beach. There's a lot of people there at the beach too, because you can camp and everything here at Moreton Island and drive your cars on the beach. So I don't know if the GoPro will pick it up. There's a car driving up the beach there now. So we'll go and have a bit of an explore later on when the wind has dropped a bit. When we were sailing on the way over, because it was a bit wild, everything in the shed of the workbench and the shelves and stuff ended up on the floor. So Gav's just in getting them now. I picked up some quickly while I was down there, but bending down and picking stuff up makes you want to spew, so I stopped that pretty quickly. Gosh, that wind is really gusty now. Yeah, but yeah, well, it wasn't too bad, the carnage down below. We're getting better. So well, we are ashore in Lucinda Bay and it's pretty stunning. Look at that, what a spot. It's still gusting, a lot of wind, but look at this, you can see the tracks because there's been cars driving up and down the beach here. But it's just incredible. I mean, look at this. And look at the colour of the water. It's just beautiful. It's crystal, crystal clear. Look at that. So clear. And there's our girls straight out in front, bobbing about. There's a few other boats that have come in. So this is just a beautiful spot. The wind's supposed to drop tonight, so we will be sitting and swimming all day tomorrow for Australia Day. What do you think of this spot?
This does not suck at all. I love the water, warm as the water.
I know, it's absolutely beautiful. Look at this. How nice is it to bring your house to a place like this? It's bloody fantastic. So good. We set about exploring our backyard for the next few days. This is the stuff that we've always dreamed of, pulling up at an island, finding a new anchorage and going around exploring. And right here is the moment that I found the best stick I've ever found. This continues to live in our dinghy Ida, and it's been of great use every time we go sailing.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you go first.
You time me?
Yeah, I'll time you. So here's an Astrid feature that we haven't really shown before. Is our shade screens out in the cockpit. So currently got the back one down there, but there's ones that reach down on the sides there as well, both sides, and they're awesome for stopping the sun and allowing us to be out here and having a bit of shade.
It's got a little guy.
I read recently that living on a sailboat is living in the smallest space but with the largest backyard. And look at the backyard that we've got here at Moreton Bay. And for now, we're going to sit out here on the back and slowly watch the sun go down. What a magnificent day. Well, we are at the boom bar, having a beer.
Cheers, big ears.
I had to go and get a jumper. It's ridiculous because it's been, you know, 30.
It's because you got a touch of sun.
36 degrees or something.
It's because you got the sun.
So, but anyway, it's a beautiful night. The wind has settled down, thankfully, hasn't it?
Dozed off. I reckon it is about now 10 knots.
Probably 10, yeah. So a bit more pleasant. And it's supposed to be awesome tomorrow for Australia Day. And I think we'll be in bed early. I know I will be. And ready for a good day tomorrow. It's been very nice having a swim and relax. Oh, and our batteries are balanced, aren't they?
Yeah.
And they're working and everything. So it literally was just a software update that needed to be done that we didn't know
We
about.
hope.
Yeah, looking good. So that's good. Next thing we have to do is get the wind vane working. So
Wind
look at
generator.
that, the wind generator. Yeah, it looks like, I think it's just a bit stuck. Not sure why. Anyway, we'll work that out. But for now, it's cheers from the boom bar. Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Cheers. Stunning night.
Great night. Good morning, everyone. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. The wind has settled right down, which is great. Sun's just coming up. Looks amazing. Wow. I love waking up in different places. Looks misty out the other side, I'll show you. Look at that. So cool. Looks amazing. We had a lot of turtles popping up around the boat yesterday afternoon, and they just pop up so quick and then go down, so you don't get to get them on film. But there's quite a lot here, so hopefully we'll see some more today. I'm going to do some fishing, and Dave and Connie are going to be arriving on Sabella this morning sometime. We don't have any internet really here to keep in contact. It's kind of nice too. But it's Australia Day, so happy Australia Day, everyone. Oh my gosh, there's dolphins. Early morning dolphins. Come on, guys. Here they are. Gosh, I hope this is picking up. My other camera is downstairs. I don't want to wake up Gav. Oh my goodness. Good morning. Come on, guys. Where they've gone. Where are you, little dolphies? Good morning. Good morning, guys. Oh, how cool. Oh, there's so many. Are you awake, babe? There's dolphins all around the boat.
Where?
They're here. No, just waiting for them to pop up again. They've been all around the back, all around here. That's where they were before. Thanks so much for watching this episode. We really hope you enjoyed it. Join us next week as we head ashore and explore this incredible island. Look at this, it's absolutely beautiful. If you enjoyed this episode, please remember to hit subscribe, click the like button and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. See ya!